We're here to show you our Biker Chaos color print. We call it that because we do have it in a black and transparent version too. It's just not released yet. There's lots of color going on there. I don't know. Some chains and skulls, lots of fists. Kind of takes a minute to really realize what all's going on in that print. You could use different base coat options. We're gonna dip to white though. It's probably gonna make it the most vibrant, especially since there's flames in that print. There's some eagles. I didn't even see that. With some guns and fists. Motorcycle. We're using Hydrographics activator, 1 minute soak time. It is storming here right now. I might have ran off the edge there. Just trying to get the guy on there for you. Yeah, just a little bit. And that is the Biker Chaos color print. Again, it is a full meter. And that will be in the Skull section at KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.